Introducing EV Doctor, the revolutionary AI-powered solution that's transforming battery diagnostics, powered by advanced DCR computations, over 20 state-of-the-art AI algorithms, and an extensive database of over 200,000 battery datasets. Here's how it works. Connect the battery, attach our handheld device, and run the test through the intuitive EV Doctor app. Finally, connect the charger. After the test, you get the insights about the health levels, safety levels, performance, and crucial faults. These results assist you in taking best decisions for the batteries. EV Doctor is a CE certified and tested by over 100 battery experts, proven to prevent hazards in more than 1 lakh plus batteries. Trusted by over 100 EV brands and 1,600 workshops worldwide, including in India, USA, and Mexico. Enhance your battery quality control, service, and repair capabilities with EV Doctor.